Hi everybody, this is Natasha from Divine Creations, and today we're going to go over some amazing features in Cricut Design Space. And during this tutorial, I will be using my iPad Pro along with my iPad Pencil, which it's not a necessity to work Design Space on your iPad. It's just something I choose to do. But you can use the Design Space app on Android, I believe, and on your iPhone and also your tablet. I like to use the tablet, but you do miss a few features that are offered when using your tablet, which is the pattern feature. But we won't go over that today. We're just going to go over how to slice images. So we're bringing a square, and I'm going to also bring in some text. So I'm going to hit my text option, which is in the lower left hand corner. And please keep in mind, these steps will work exactly the same on your computer and on your phone. The placement just may be a little different. So I'm going to bring in some text, and I'm going to type in Divine, and I'm going to make it larger. And with the slice feature, you can slice one object at a time. So I wouldn't be able to slice Divine twice in this sort of manner. I wouldn't be able to select it and hit slice. As you see at the bottom, it is not selected. So I'm going to go ahead and delete the one, and I'm going to place Divine right in the middle. And I am in Actions. So I'm going to take and select both of my layers. I'm going to hit Layers panel, and as you see, we have two layers. Even though the word Divine does show two, the other cut is like the outline or the offset, which we don't need that turned on. Go ahead and turn that off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, select both, and I'm going to hit slice now that it's highlighted. Once you do that, you will now be able to move the name out the way and see that we have cut out my name into this square. And now that it is cut, we don't need the other two pieces. We can go ahead, the other two layers, we can go ahead and delete it. So now on your layers panel, you see you have one sliced image, which has my name. And this sliced image can be used for stenciling or stencils. As I mentioned, a sliced image can be used in card making. It also can be used for stencils. If you would like to create maybe a custom shirt with your name on it or any type of crafting, you can always cut out a stencil using the slice feature. We're going to go over another way you can use the slice feature is we're going to import a shape. Here we go. I'm going to unlock the proportions, and I am going to create a bookmark, something I can use or give as gifts to my children, or they can give gifts to their classroom. You could do customized bookmarks, and we're going to use the slice feature. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to select a good thick font, just like I just did with the other example. And I am going to go ahead and type my name. And I'm going to go ahead and rotate it. And as you see, we have those yellow lines that are popping up. I like that because it makes sure that everything is centered. And I like that feature. You can also use that feature by selecting settings and smart guides. You can turn them on right there. So I have my name. I went on and rotated. You can rotate either way that you like. Once I see that it's centered, I'm going to go ahead and make it a little bit smaller. And I'm going to select both. We're going to go to Actions, and we're going to select Slice. We're going to go ahead and get rid of the part we don't need. And that is a way you can slice your name out of a bookmark. Now, please keep in mind the little pieces for the A. If you don't put a backing onto it, will not stay, which is a good design. Or you can just go ahead and add another shape to use as the backing.
You need to watch out with it.
So you can add another square. You can unlock the proportions and add another layer, same size. And this can be your backing piece so that your inside right here will have something to attach to. Right there. The inside of the A will have something to, and plus it will also make it a little bit more sturdier if you're using 65-pound cardstock, or if you're going to use 110, it will really give you a sturdy page marker. All right, that's it for slicing. If you have any questions, please leave them below, and I'll see you in the next video.